Every dawn brings with it the rejuvenating warmth of sunlight, but amidst its allure lies a hidden threat: ultraviolet, UV rays. These rays, classified as UVA and UVB, are silent yet potent agents of skin damage. UVA rays seep deep into the skin's layers, hastening the march of time on your complexion, manifesting as wrinkles and fine lines. Meanwhile, UVB rays focus their energy on the surface, igniting sunburns and causing immediate discomfort. To stave off their harmful effects, daily sunscreen application is not only a choice, it's a necessity for healthy skin. As the sun's rays play a pivotal role in photoaging, frequent exposure without protection can lead to visible aging, marked by sagging skin and dark spots that tell tales of sun-soaked days. Incorporating sunscreen into your morning routine acts as a shield, preserving youthful skin by safeguarding collagen and elastin fibers from premature wear. This daily ritual not only keeps your skin fresh but also enhances your confidence, allowing you to face the world with a radiant glow, untouched by the tolls of time. Moreover, the implications of UV exposure extend far beyond cosmetic concerns. Research has revealed that daily use of sunscreen significantly mitigates the risk of developing skin cancers, including the infamous melanoma. This protective barrier not only guards against cancerous growth, but also minimizes the emergence of precancerous lesions such as actinic keratosis. Armed with this knowledge, the daily application of sunscreen becomes a simple yet powerful act of self-preservation, fostering long-term skin health and resilience against life's sunniest challenges. Importantly, the need for sunscreen transcends the seasons. Whether basking under summer skies or navigating winter wonderlands, UV rays sneak through clouds and reflect off surfaces like water and snow, intensifying exposure. Sunscreen is not just for beach days, it's a year-round commitment. Regardless of skin tone, the pressing reminder remains: all complexions deserve this protective layer against hyperpigmentation and harmful UV radiation. Selecting the right sunscreen is essential. Aim for a broad-spectrum formula with at least SPF 30 to ensure all-round protection, while factoring in your specific skin type. Cultivating a habit of generous application, revisiting every 2 hours, and covering overlooked spots transforms a mundane task into a vital shield for your complexion. Daily sunscreen application, a seemingly small ritual, imbues your skincare routine with monumental significance. It promises not only protection, but enhances your skin's vitality, allowing the beauty of your age to blossom with grace, unmarred by the sun's invisible claws. So, let the sun shine. With a daily dose of sunscreen, you're prepared to embrace its glow while safeguarding your skin's future.